Hi friend, welcome to the daily quiz. In this video, test your observation skill. Can you find the odd number and letter within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium, hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello ladies and gentlemen, today number and letter pro edition. Nobody cannot find the odd number 0 among O within 8 seconds. Wow, T is the number 0. Good start. %90 guys fail to find the odd letter and W between WN within 10 seconds. Amazing, that's the number and W. Observation skill challenge. Find the number 21 among 12 within 10 seconds. Awesome observation. There is the number 21. Come on guys, check your eye vision. Find the number 31 between 13 within time. Excellent guys, there is the number 31. Hey honorable, can you find the odd number 67 between 76 within 5 seconds? Outstanding, my honorable, there is the number 67. Hello viewer, test your math ability in this quiz. AB add CD within 8 seconds. Brilliant ability. Option 3, A, B, C, D. Anybody can find the odd letter EV among VE within 10 seconds. Fantastic, there is the letter EV. Hurry up audience, test your eyesight skills. Find the letter AS between SA within 8 seconds. Superb eyesight, this is the letter AS. Quiz 9. Check your brain power. Find the letter DO among OD within 10 seconds. Incredible, that's the odd one letter DO. Just 1% can complete this challenge. Spot the letter X between Y within time. Perfect spotted, letter X. Are you focus master? Find the combination letter and number like T6. Yes, this is the combination T6. Hey my respectable audience, are you a quiz expert? Find the letter P among 9 within time frame. Gorgeous quiz expert, there is the letter P. Easy level done, medium level start. Hidden among the camouflage letter, one is different. Can you find it? Sharp choice, you caught the odd one. Only math lover solve this mathematical quiz. 45 and 92 and divide by 13 in 15 seconds. Beautiful catch. Option 1, 10.5. Nobody cannot find the odd letter ECG among EGC within 15 seconds. Well, stunning. This is the letter ECG. Hey, general knowledge lover, can you solve this quiz? The national sport of Italy is. Yes, option A, football, soccer. Genius can find the odd number within time frame. Challenge yourself. Can you find the odd letter Y3X between X3Y within time? Legendary focus. There is the letter Y3X. Only the smart guys can find the odd number in the given time. Good job, this is the number. Hey Weaver, can you pick the odd one letter in time frame? Hello my honorable viewer, one letter is different in the below letters. Can you find in 15 seconds? Great job, this one is the different letter. Hey my genius audience, one number is different. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Super, this number is different from other. Challenge your mind, find the letter DGU before time runs out. Impressive, there is the letter DGU. How sharp are your eyes? Can you find the odd number 483 among 438 within 15 seconds? Boom, there is the number 483. Medium level done, hard level start. First question of the hard level, find the hidden difference like 5 books within 15 seconds. Wonderful. There is the number 5 box. Can you spot the odd number in time? Good job, you spot the number. In this quiz, check your IQ level. Can you find the odd number in time frame? Hey viewer, are you focus master? Can you find the odd number in 15 seconds? Only geniuses can find it for x within given time. Fabulous! There is the for x. Hello my genius viewer, can you find the odd one in 15 seconds? Only one person can find the odd one letter FUJ within time. Spectacular! There is the letter. Hey viewer, can you identify the odd number in 15 seconds? Hey viewer, test your brain power. Can you find the odd number in time? Think fast, spot faster, find the letter K and L R within time. Phenomenal, there is the letter K and L R. The last quiz of my video. Only genius viewer pass this math quiz. 29 add 8 multiply 5 and divide by 3 in 15 seconds. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Thanks for watching.